Hello everyone, I'm Mandy. Today I will introduce you a large excavator. Behind me, this is a SANY SY335H. It is a large excavator. Its counterweight is 35 tons, and it is a Chinese brand. Many people like this. Then I will introduce you the baggage. The baggage capacity is 1.85 cubic meters. The most important thing of an excavator is the engine. The engine is from Isuzu, and the engine is powerful. The power of the engine is 212 kilowatts. Then I will show you around. If you want to buy, please contact me. Bye bye.